Hello students, in this video we are going to see byte substitution, shift rows, mix columns, add round key, AES rounds of advanced encryption standard. Now we will discuss each of the four stages used in AES. The substitute bytes stage uses an S-box to perform a byte by byte substitution of the block. It uses one table of 16 x 16 bytes containing a permutation of all 256 8-bit values. Each byte of state is replaced by byte indexed by row, that is left 4 bits, and column right 4 bits. For example, the byte 95 is replaced by a byte in row 9 and column 5, which has the value, that is the equivalent value to 95 is 2A. S-box constructed using defined transformation of values. This diagram shows the byte substitution operates on each byte of state independently, with the input byte used to index a row or column in the table to retrieve the substituted values. Shift rows stage provides a simple permutation of data, whereas the other steps involves substitutions. Further, since the state is treated as a block of columns, this step provides diffusion of values between columns. It performs a circular rotate on each row of 0, 1, 2 and 3 places for respective rows. When decrypting, it performs a circular shift in the opposite direction of each row. This row shift moves an individual bytes from one column to the another, which is a linear distance of multiples of 4 bytes, and ensures that 4 bytes of one column are spread out of 4 different columns. The mix column stage is a substitution that makes use of arithmetic over GF of 2 power 8. Each byte of a column is mapped into a new value, that is a function of all 4 bytes in that column. It is designed as a matrix multiplication where each byte is treated as a polynomial in GF of 2 power 8. The inverse used for decryption involves different types of constants. The constants used are based on a linear code with maximum distance between code words. This gives a good mixing of bytes within each column. Combined with the shift rows step provide a good avalanche, so that within a few rounds all output bits depends on all input bits. Mix columns can express each column as 4 equations to derive each new byte in a column. Decryption requires use of inverse matrix with larger coefficients, hence it is little harder to decrypt. They have an alternate characterization where each column is a 4-term polynomial with coefficients in GF of 2 power 8, and polynomials are multiplied modulo of x power 4 plus 1. Add round key stage is a simple bitwise XOR of the current block with a portion of the expanded key. Note, this is the only step which makes use of the key and obscures the result. Hence, it must be used as a start and end of each round, since otherwise could undo effect of other steps. But the other steps provide confusion, diffusion, non-linearity. That as you can look at the cipher as a series of XOR with the key, then scramble or permute block repeated. This is efficient and highly secure, it is believed. The output of state block is given as an input to the add round key, where the matrices are XORed together to form the output and given as a state. These transformations are applied to the state of 9 more rounds. The final round does not include the mix columns transformation. Fine, we have come to the end of this topic. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you.